Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be knowing the names and the serving time of all the USA presidents, starting with the first one after independence to the most recent. The first president after the USA attained independence was George Washington. He served from 1789 to 1997 and was the first president to serve to non-consecutive terms. Thomas Jefferson, John Adams, and James Madison also served during this time. The second president was John Tyler, who served from 1841 to 1845. The third president was Zachary Taylor, who served from 1845 to 1848. The fourth president was James Buchanan, who served from 1859 to 1861 before the American Civil War broke out. The fifth president was Abraham Lincoln, who served from 1861 to 1865 and led the Union through the war and achieved the end of slavery. The sixth president was Franklin D. Roosevelt, who served from 1933 to 1945. He was the first president to serve during a global war, and was also the first president to address the General Assembly in person. The seventh president was Gerald Ford, who served from 1974 to 1977. The eighth president was Jimmy Carter, who served from 1977 to 1981. The ninth president was Ronald Reagan, who served from 1981 to 1989. The 10th president was George Bush, who served from 1989 to 1993. The 11th president was Bill Clinton, who served from 1993 to 2001. The 12th president was George W. Bush, who served from 2001 to 2009. The 13th president was Barack Obama, who served from 2009 to 2017. The 14th president is Donald Trump, who served from 2017 to 2021. The 15th recent president is Joe Biden. We hope you enjoyed learning about the USA presidents and their serving times. Thank you for watching.